Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple collab hosted by Kim at MetalScrappinChick. And each month we are to make something with purple. It doesn't have to be jewelry, but I'm focusing on jewelry for this collab. Some may be doing paper crafts or knitting or crochet or whatever, anything purple. So I didn't have a lot of time this month, so I just made two pair of earrings that are identical and one bracelet. So for the bracelet, which I'll show first, I guess, because I have it on my wrist, my other wrist, I used the Soft Flex Antique Brass color. I used, where did it go? Well, anyway, oh, here. I used an antique brass pewter oval connector. You've seen me use this before in I think a different color. This is from Auntie's Beads or Auntie's Beads Direct. I'm not sure which. I used one oval jump ring. I had this clasp and some round jump rings. I used them on the earrings and one round jump ring on the bracelet as well. For the earrings, I used eye pins that were from Bead Box Bargains. I was going to use these last four bead caps, but one of them has a broken leaf, so I ended up not using them, and I switched to a different pack, which I didn't bring over here apparently. But they were also from Bead Box Bargains. Maybe I did bring them over. Here they are. So they have a little bit more dimension. I only used them on the earrings, but I used four of those. On the bracelet, I used these textured antique brass round beads, and they're from Bead Box Bargains. I used these check glass beads that were out of Purple Petals Soft Flex kit. I hadn't opened the strand of them, so I opened them and I used a lot of them. And for the earrings and one on the bracelet, I used these check glass Milky Lavender with Picasso finish bird oval bead strand. And I don't know if you can tell, but some of them are milkier than others. And you can really notice it when you hold them up to the light more. So I had made a pair of earrings, and one of them, when I held it up, was way too milky compared to the other one. So I had to switch it out. But I saved that one and used it on the bracelet. And on the bracelet, I also had from EE Beads, long out of business, these antique brass crimp beads. And Hobby Lobby glass, check glass pearls in lavender 6mm. I bought them, I don't know, earlier this year. So I don't think those were on sale. Yes, they were. Regular $4.99, and I got them for $1.24. Okay, so let me show you the earrings and the bracelet. Here's the bracelet. Here's that. I have it backwards, actually, the bracelet upside down. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can do that on screen, but normally you would have those birds probably facing you. This is not part of the collab. This doesn't really match what I have on right now, so, but here's check glass pearl. Then I did two of the check glass from the Purple Petals kit. Here's the two brass beads, and then I ended with a glass pearl because I didn't want to have the metal next to metal. I don't like that look so much. And then I have the oval jump ring to connect to, and here's the dangle, and then the same on the other side. So let me take that off if I can, and I don't know if I can because I did it backwards. And so I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, and this fits me perfectly. So I'm going to go with, it fits a 6 3/4 inch wrist. And I thought maybe a 7 and, uh-oh, did I just break it? I might have just, oh no, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the dangle thinking, oh, I broke it. You can either connect directly to the oval, or you could actually connect to the round jump ring that the dangle is on. So it's a little bit of an extender, but that was not how I intended it. because I want the dangle to dangle better. So anyway, that is the bracelet. I think it's cute. I like those birds. I'm still showing them upside down. I thought about putting the dangle off here, but I didn't want to have it uneven on the front. So that's the bracelet, and then the earrings, which is what I started with. These ear wires came out of that same Soft Flex kit, the purple petals kit. I hadn't used them. And then here's the bargain, Beadbox Bargains bead caps. And the, I think these were from Beadaholic, these little ball head pins. And the eye pins I already told you were from Beadbox Bargains. And these jump rings, I don't know where they came from. But those are my earrings, and you can see these are sort of milky but also have some clear to them, and so do these. But this one really doesn't, and it does, but it's more milky. You see the difference in that, which I didn't realize when I first pulled out all the beads. And since I'd already wire wrapped it, I wanted to use it, so I made it be a dangle on the bracelet, which I hadn't even originally been intending on making. Those are my makes for Passion for Purple. I don't want to hold you up any longer. It's already too long. And please be sure to go check out MetalScrappinChick and all the other participants that I'll link down below. And I hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.